Hey guys, it's Sara with ExtremeTerrain.com, and this video is to demonstrate fitment for 17-inch wheels and 285/70R17 tires on stock 2- and 4-door non-lifted Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JLs. In this video, I'll go over who this setup is ideal for, review the clearance with these wheels and tires, and what to expect when driving with this setup on and off-road. 285/70R17 tires are equivalent to a 33-inch tire, and the combination of 33-inch tires with 17-inch wheels are a popular setup with owners that have stock, non-lifted JLs, as you can see from these pictures provided by JL owners. So behind me is a stock, non-lifted 2019 Sahara with 17-inch wheels and 33-inch tires. This wheel and tire combination will fit all non-lifted stock 2- and 4-door Sport, Sahara, and Rubicon JLs without needing to do any modifications. This wheel and tire combo is ideal for those of you that aren't lifting your JL but want a more aggressive look with bigger tires. Customers running this setup are staying mainly on-road with the occasional light off-roading. So for Rubicon owners, 33-inch tires come stock, so you will not notice a difference. But for Sport and Sahara owners, 33s are going to be slightly larger than stock, so clearance in the wheel well area is going to be a little tighter when compared to the stock wheels and tires. Running 33s on your stock non-lifted JL is absolutely fine for on-road daily driving and for light to mid-level trail riding such as fire trails and some minor rock crawling. This setup is free from rubbing any suspension components and the stock bumper, as you can see when we turn the wheel back and forth on our Sahara. Stock Rubicons have a slightly higher suspension and slightly taller fender flares, so you can expect a bit more clearance. With this setup, you'll have enough clearance for light to mid-level off-roading. In off-road situations that require a lot of articulation, you will expect some rubbing. If you do want to get involved in more serious off-roading, we suggest having a leveling or lift kit installed, which you can find right here on the site. So a few things to keep in mind when upgrading to a larger diameter tire like a 33 is that when you're driving on-road, the ride will feel slightly sluggish with the 33s compared to your stock tires. In addition, your speedometer will also read up to 3 miles per hour slower when running these larger tires on a Sport or Sahara. The exception to this is the Rubicon owners who have 33-inch tires stock. This is not a big deal in most Jeep owners, just keep that in mind when driving, but if you like, this can be corrected with a speed calibrator or a tune to your Jeep, which you can also find right here on the site. Again, this setup of 33-inch tires with 17-inch wheels is very popular with our customers and will give your JL a bit more of an aggressive look over the stock setup. Also, if you do purchase a set from ExtremeTerrain, we make it easy for you to get these on your JL. You can have them mounted and balanced before being shipped, and then you just need a jack, lug wrench, and some elbow grease, and you'll have these on in no time. And if you have any questions about the setup for your Jeep, you can call our customer service number and speak with one of our wheel and tire specialists. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like these and tons of other product review and install videos right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.